Hey everyone, welcome back to Creator Talk. I'm Ryan, the guy who said I'll upload every week and then disappeared for 2 months.
And I'm Lina, who actually did upload every week, but half of them were apology videos.
Today, we're talking about how to be consistent for YouTube videos, the struggle every creator knows too well.
Yep, consistency is like going to the gym. Everyone says it's important, but no one wants to do it when Netflix exists.
Let's be honest, why is it so hard to stay consistent?
Because our brains are drama queens. One day we're like, let's create. And the next we're like, let's scroll for research purposes.
Research purposes, also known as watching cat videos for 3 hours.
Exactly. The main problem is we rely on motivation, but motivation disappears faster than your phone battery during editing.
So true. You can't depend on feeling inspired every day. Consistency comes from systems, not from vibes.
So what's your system, Mr. Disappearing Act?
Hey, I've improved. I do 3 things. Plan my week every Sunday, record on one specific day, and edit in small chunks. If I miss one step, I just adjust. No guilt, no drama.
Nice. For me, I keep things tiny. If I can't record a full video, I record a 30-second clip. If I can't edit everything, I just cut one section. Little wins keep you moving.
That's actually smart, tricking your brain into progress.
Exactly. Lower the bar, raise the consistency.
Let's share some tools for creators out there. I use Notion to plan content and CapCut for quick edits. And I have a video ideas note on my phone. Whenever I get a random idea at 2 a.m., I drop it there before my brain deletes it.
Relatable. I use Google Calendar to schedule uploads and a whiteboard so I can physically cross off tasks. It feels like punching procrastination in the face.
Oh, how about batch filming helps too? Record 2 or 3 videos in one session. Then if life gets messy, you still have content ready.
Totally. Plus, it makes you feel like a YouTube superhero for the day.
Now let's talk burnout, because even with systems, it sneaks in.
Yeah, I used to force myself to upload even when I was exhausted. The videos were, let's say, emotionally flat.
Been there. I've learned take planned breaks, not accidental ones. A weekend off won't kill your channel, but burnout might.
True. And also remember why you started. Views come and go, but your love for creating is what keeps you consistent long term.
Look at you being motivational. Should I play background piano music? Only if I can give a dramatic TED Talk after. Consistency begins within.
Okay, quick recap before Ryan gets philosophical again.
1. Stop relying only on motivation. 2. Build small, repeatable systems. 3. Use tools to plan and batch your work. 4. Take breaks before burnout hits. And most importantly, keep your why in sight.
Boom. YouTube consistency simplified.
If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment your biggest struggle with staying consistent.
And hey, no judgment if your reason is my cat sat on the keyboard. Happens to the best of us.
Thanks for listening, creators. Stay consistent, stay curious,
And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!